vast industrial complex hums with activity as trucks laden with cassava arrive.
Her journey begins with the raw power of nature. The conveyor belt carries rough, unwashed cassava into the cleaning system, beginning its transformative journey.
Each root emerges pristine, stripped of its earthy impurities.
First, a rigorous pre-wash removes the heaviest soil. Every root is checked for quality right from the start. Water aggressively washes cassava roots in an industrial washer, vigorously stripping away dirt and debris. Precision control ensures optimal cleaning at every stage. A large industrial scrubbing drum vigorously cleans cassava roots, its powerful action purifying them further.
Thoroughly cleaned cassava roots move smoothly towards peeling, highlighting the methodical progression of processing.
Automated peelers precisely remove the outer layer, revealing pure white starch.
A series of industrial washing machines vigorously clean cassava roots, showcasing efficiency and systematic processing.
Cleaner cassava roots move along a conveyor, their surfaces glistening with water, progressing towards the scrubbing stage. Powerful brushes ensure every inch is meticulously cleaned. Quality is paramount at every single stage.
Peeling machines efficiently remove cassava skin, revealing the smooth, pale root, a precise transformative process.
Massive trucks deliver nature's bounty, beginning its transformation. A vibrating feeder moves a mountain of cassava roots, initiating the robust cleaning process by shedding impurities. Water begins its vital work, washing away the earth. Industrial washing and scrubbing systems work in tandem, showcasing dynamic purification and multi-stage cleaning. Mountains of cassava begin their journey, fresh from the fields. Vigorous scrubbing ensures every root is spotlessly clean. Precision peeling reveals the pure white core, ready for starch extraction. Now, pure cassava, ready for its transformation into starch. Automated peeling machines surgically remove skin from cassava, revealing pristine white flesh with precision. The journey of transformation begins with nature's raw gift.
Powerful water jets impact dirt-covered cassava roots, creating a dynamic visual of purification in the washing drum.
Our multi-stage cleaning ensures absolute purity for the next step.
Automated peeling machines surgically remove skin from cassava, revealing pristine white flesh with precision.
Emerging spotless, ready for the next critical stage.
The factory's rasping section, with its powerful cylindrical machines, begins the crucial starch extraction process.
High-speed raspers break down the root into a fine, starchy pulp. Starchy slurry flows through clear pipes in a laboratory, highlighting the process's scientific precision and seamless transfer. Centrifugal force precisely separates the starch from the fibrous pulp.
Purified, concentrated starch slurry flows into a holding tank, signifying the successful isolation of the starch.
Fibrous pulp discharges from centrifuges into a collection area, illustrating meticulous waste separation.
Now, advanced flash drying technology transforms the slurry into fine powder.
Moisture-rich starch atomizes into tiny droplets within the flash dryer, instantly transforming into fine powder.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing for purity and texture.
The fully automated logistics section, with robotic arms and conveyor belts, prepares for seamless packaging and distribution.
Synchronized robots meticulously fill each bag to exact specifications.
A filled bag of cassava flour moves along a conveyor belt, heading towards the stitching machine for sealing.
An automated stitching machine rapidly seals a flour bag, creating perfect, durable stitches with impressive precision.
Only the finest, perfectly peeled roots proceed. A vast array of freshly peeled cassava roots moves towards rasping, emphasizing the purity and abundance of raw material.
Peeled cassava roots enter high-speed raspers, beginning their mechanical breakdown with powerful inevitability. From solid root to liquid pulp in an instant. Pure starch unlocked. Starchy slurry pumps from raspers into a pre-settling tank, signifying controlled transfer and collection.
Samples are taken constantly to ensure optimal starch quality.
A row of massive centrifuges, humming with powerful motors, separates starch, introducing core separation technology.
The relentless force of the centrifuge isolates pure starch, particle by particle. Finely shredded cassava pulp flows from a rasper, now visibly more concentrated, signifying successful transformation.
Density is key for the next stage of starch separation.
An impressive array of centrifuges, humming with power, separates starch, forming the heart of the extraction.
Precision drying is essential for the finest flour. A technician conducts a final moisture test on dried cassava flour, ensuring critical quality before packaging. The final stage, perfect drying, yielding the finest cassava flour.
Separated fibrous pulp discharges into a waste system, illustrating meticulous waste management and environmental responsibility.
This pure starch slurry is now ready for drying.
Dried cassava flour collects from a cyclone separator, demonstrating the successful creation of a pure, fine product.
The perfect texture, a testament to our precise drying process.
In milliseconds, moisture vanishes, transforming liquid into fine powder. Robots work with unparalleled precision, preparing each bag for filling. The immense flash drying system, a labyrinth of pipes and towers, prepares for the final stage of starch processing.
A newly filled bag of cassava flour moves along a conveyor belt, heading towards the automated stitching machine.
Real-time data ensures flawless coordination and dispatch.
An automated stitching machine rapidly seals a bag, creating a perfect, tight seam with impressive mechanical precision.
A pallet of cassava flour is smoothly transferred to a waiting truck, marking the final in-factory logistics step.
A laser-guided forklift transports a pallet of bagged cassava flour through the warehouse, demonstrating advanced logistics. An automated system scans a barcode on a flour pallet, ensuring flawless coordination and tracking of products.
Laser-guided forklifts navigate with flawless, silent precision. A pallet of cassava flour is loaded onto a waiting truck, signifying readiness for distribution to market.
The vibrant brand logo on a cassava flour bag, resting in the truck, emphasizes product quality and trusted branding.
A laser-guided forklift smoothly transports stacked bags, highlighting advanced, coordinated warehouse logistics.
The expansive automated logistics warehouse bustles with activity, showcasing seamless automation for final product stages.
Robotic precision ensures perfect stacking, ready for transport.
Certified quality, ready to nourish homes worldwide.
A fleet of heavy trucks exits the factory, laden with cassava flour, symbolizing global distribution and success.
Every bag is perfectly stacked by robots, ready for its journey.
The fully automated logistics warehouse, a hive activity, handles dried cassava flour.
A laser-guided forklift transports a pallet of labeled bags to storage, highlighting advanced, coordinated logistics.
Finely shredded cassava pulp flows from a rasper, now visibly more concentrated, signifying successful transformation. A technician conducts a final moisture test on dried cassava flour, ensuring critical quality before packaging.
Precision drying is essential for the finest flour.
An impressive array of centrifuges, humming with power, separates starch, forming the heart of the extraction.
Fine, dry cassava flour swirls in a cyclone separator, delicately separated from air, emphasizing its purity. Advanced engineering transforms liquid into the finest powder.
A quality control specialist performs a final purity test on cassava flour using a spectrometer, ensuring ultimate product purity.
The expansive automated logistics warehouse, a hive of activity, handles dried cassava flour, showcasing
A newly filled and stitched bag moves towards palletizing, underscoring the packaging line's efficiency and automation. A robotic arm applies a barcode label to a packaged bag, emphasizing crucial tracking and product identification.
Maintaining perfect conditions is crucial for product integrity.
A laser-guided forklift smoothly transports stacked bags, highlighting advanced, coordinated warehouse logistics.
Quality guaranteed, from our factory to your home.
Pallets of finished cassava flour are neatly arranged for dispatch, showcasing the culmination of automated logistics. A fleet of heavy trucks exits the factory, laden with cassava flour, symbolizing global distribution and success. A fleet of heavy trucks exits the factory, laden with cassava flour, symbolizing global distribution and success. Precise pH balancing is crucial for optimal starch quality. Perfectly peeled, spotless cassava roots move towards rasping, emphasizing immaculate preparation and continuous flow.
Pallets of cassava flour are neatly arranged for dispatch, showcasing the culmination of automated logistics.
This is the essence, pure, concentrated cassava starch. The raw starch, now a milky pulp, ready for separation.
Every parameter is precisely controlled for optimal starch yield.
An impressive array of centrifuges, humming with power, separates starch, forming the heart of the extraction. Precise moisture control is key for perfect flash drying. The flash drying system, a symphony of pipes and towers, culminates starch processing with intense heat and engineering.
The purest cassava flour, now ready for final packaging. Final checks confirm the exceptional quality of our flour.
A quality control specialist performs a final purity test on cassava flour using a spectrometer, ensuring ultimate product purity.
Robots prepare each bag with flawless precision for its contents. A newly filled and stitched bag moves towards palletizing, underscoring the packaging line's efficiency and automation.
A robotic arm applies a barcode label to a packaged bag, emphasizing crucial tracking and product identification.
A pallet of bagged cassava flour transfers smoothly to a waiting truck, marking the final in-factory logistics step.
Pallets of finished cassava flour are neatly arranged for dispatch, showcasing the culmination of automated logistics.
Every bag, a promise of quality delivered to your table.
From raw root to global markets, a journey of precision and quality.